I've always wanted to be a doctor since I can remember, but starting my own business doesn't seem like such a bad idea either. If only I could know more about how to get started, or even better, other options to choose.
Hi, I'm Nero Christian, principal of Angels Primary School. Career Day is one of the most important days that we get an opportunity to step outside of the classroom, outside of the regular subjects, to show the students what is possible as they look towards the future. 10 years from now, many of these youngsters will be entering the world of work, and Career Day shows them some of the options they have to be productive Jamaican citizens.
I can be anything I want to be.
In addition to the traditional professions, your teachers, your lawyers, your doctors, we now are utilizing the resources in our audiovisual department to show students how they can become bloggers professionally, how they can become programmers through coding, how they can become entrepreneurs where they develop their own ideas and skills as they enter the world of work.
So my job at heart is that I am a carpenter slash furniture maker. And we're going to talk about the tilers, the steel fixers, the masoners, the carpenters, the block layers, and the architects in general, and how it is that we promote and encourage nation building within Jamaica.
It is important to go with the time, and it is important that they use their hands, skills, so that they too can become the entrepreneurs of tomorrow.
Some of our best career option, and I would look at the builder, because you know we always need houses to live in. So when you go into building houses, you are doing a great thing for our society. Also, we would look at the doctors, because you know persons get sick every day. We look at the nurses. We also look at the teachers, the firemen, the soldiers. They are excellent career choice because you will be serving your nation.
As a student, I'm filled with lots of possibilities, and I am promised to be anything I set my mind to be.
I love Career Day at my school because I can get to see other careers.
And they would walk up to you and say, "Miss, when I grow up, I am going to be a doctor." And it warms your heart because you will say in a few years, "I taught that child at grade 2 or at grade 3.
When you see Angels Primary students in the high school, you can bet 9 out of 10 times they are your future leaders.
Anelia? Anelia? Anelia?